oder aber eine gute und eine sichere Weiterreise. Einen schönen Start in den Urlaub wünschen wir Ihnen und bis beim nächsten Mal sagen wir Tschüss. Auf Wiedersehen. Just moment is Open the overhead and play down. More carefully the items could fall off. And double check your surroundings before you get in your personal belongings. In the name of Flight Captain Schäfer and the entire crew, we would like to say goodbye to you now. We thank you for choosing Lufthansa and Star Alliance for your journey today. And wishing you a wonderful remaining day in Palermo. And have a comfortable onward journey to your final destination. We are looking forward to welcoming you on board again soon and until